everyone. Welcome back to Quick Speak Q&A. Let's learn simple phrases to share your opinions. Let's start.
How can I express a simple opinion at work?
You can say, I think this idea is good.
And how do I give a stronger opinion?
Try, in my opinion, this is the best option.
What's a polite way to start an opinion?
From my point of view.
How can I share my opinion in a meeting?
Say, I'd like to share my thoughts on this.
And if I want to sound confident,
Use, I strongly believe.
what if I'm not 100% sure?
Say, I'm not completely sure, but I think.
How can I express a personal preference?
I prefer working in the morning.
How do I share an opinion about a project?
I think this project needs more time.
What if I disagree but want to be polite?
Say, I see your point, but I feel differently.
How can I disagree softly?
I'm not sure I agree with that.
How do I say my opinion about a coworker's idea?
I think your idea is interesting.
How do I express enthusiasm?
I really like this idea.
And how do I show hesitation?
I'm not sure about this part.
How can I suggest something?
Maybe we could try.
What sentence shows I'm open to others' opinions?
I'd love to hear your thoughts too.
How do I express a problem respectfully?
I think we may have an issue here.
How do I express my honest opinion?
To be honest, I think.
How can I say an opinion about deadlines?
I think the deadline is too short.
What about expressing urgency?
I feel this needs attention now.
How can I express a positive attitude?
I believe we can do a great job.
How do I say my opinion about a plan?
I think this plan is clear and simple.
How can I express doubt?
I'm not completely convinced.
How do I express a suggestion based on experience?
In my experience, it works better when.
What if I want to say something unpopular?
This might be unpopular, but I think.
How do I express that something is not a good idea?
I don't think this will work.
How do I express confidence in a team?
I believe our team can handle this.
How do I express a work-related opinion politely?
My opinion is that we should revise the plan.
How can I say I have a different view?
I have a different point of view.
What if I want to speak diplomatically?
Maybe we could look at another option.
How do I express surprise in an opinion?
Wow, I didn't expect that, but I think
How do I express my opinion in writing?
my opinion is that works great in emails.
How do I give feedback?
In my opinion, you did a great job here.
What's a simple opinion phrase?
I think.
How do I politely disagree in an email?
I respectfully disagree with this point.
How do I ask someone's opinion?
What do you think about this?
How do I give a balanced opinion?
I see the advantages and disadvantages.
What if I want to clarify my opinion?
What I mean is,
How do I explain my opinion clearly?
the reason I think that is because
How do I express a positive opinion at work?
I really like how this turned out.
How do I express a negative opinion politely?
I'm not very happy with this result.
How do I express a preference between two ideas?
I prefer option A.
How do I share a quick opinion?
My quick thought is,
How do I express agreement?
I totally agree with you.
How do I express partial agreement?
I agree to some extent.
How can I say something is a good idea?
I think that's a great idea.
How do I say something is a bad idea politely?
I'm not sure this is the best approach.
How do I express a firm opinion?
I'm sure that.
How do I express optimism?
I believe things will work out well.
How do I show I'm open to changes?
I'm open to other ideas.
How do I express satisfaction with work?
I'm happy with the result.
How do I say I don't like something at work?
I don't really like this method.
How do I say I like something a little?
I kind of like this idea.
How do I express a strong dislike?
I really don't like this approach.
How do I say I need more information to give my opinion?
I need more details before I share my opinion.
How do I express an opinion about a coworker's performance?
I think he did a good job on this task.
How do I express uncertainty?
I'm not sure about this yet.
How do I give a small suggestion?
What if we try a simple change?
How do I give an opinion about a meeting?
I think the meeting was productive.
How do I express excitement about a project?
I'm excited about this project.
How do I show I don't understand an opinion?
I'm not sure I understand what you mean.